Welcome back, artists, to another delightful adventure with Easy Peasy Art. Today, we've brewed up something warm and cozy for you. A spiced pumpkin latte drawing, perfect for fall. So, grab your art supplies and let's get started. What's a latte without whipped cream? Add a fluffy cloud of it on top of your latte. Let's start drawing that cute, chubby mug. Make it big and sturdy. And wrap it up with some squiggly lines for the muffler. Plus, add a straw for sipping up that deliciousness. And don't forget to sprinkle some fall leaves around. They're like nature's confetti. Now, right in the center of the mug, draw a big heart. That's where all the love for pumpkin spice lattes goes. Now it's time to bring your drawing to life with colors. Imagine the cozy aroma of pumpkin spice, and let's get started. For the whipped cream, try a soft, creamy beige. Use warm, inviting yellow and orange for the muffler and leaves. Those are the colors of fall's embrace. Just look at what you've created, a spiced pumpkin latte, perfect for sipping on a crisp autumn day. That's it for today's creative journey, art enthusiasts. We hope you had a blast making this cozy masterpiece with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Keep those creative juices flowing, and we'll see you next time at Easy Peasy Art. Bye for now, and keep drawing with all your heart.